Helo a chroeso I Alawfa Cymru, lle dwi'n mynd I fod yn cyflwyno 20 alaw a ysgrifennwyd yn ystod yr 20 mlynedd diwethaf gan gerddorion Cymreig. Hello and welcome to Alawfa Cymru, where I'm going to be presenting 20 tunes that have been written in the past 20 years by musicians working in the Welsh folk scene. Mae'n brosiect gan Trac Cymru wedi gyrraedd gen fi, Jordan Price-Williams. This is a Trac Cymru project that's been curated by myself, Jordan Price-Williams. So today we have a tune by one of our great tradition bearers here in Wales. The harp, of course, which is our national instrument, has several forms, and the oldest traditional one that is consistently being played in Wales is y delyn deiras, or the triple harp. And the undisputed king of the triple harp in Wales is Bowen. So today I'm going to be playing a tune by Robin. This is called Llif Ystwyth. The flood of the Ystwyth. The Ystwyth is the river that runs down into Ystwyth. Now the triple harp is quite an unusual instrument. If you don't know, it has 3 rows of strings, 2 diatonic on the outside and the chromatic in the middle, and which lends itself to a very particular style of playing, where the melody is repeated in both hands. Felly na ni, Llif Ystwyth gan Bowen.